What up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Nerdy Nerf Warriors. Sorry, I paused there because I've been thinking of a name change, which, first off, we're going to make it official with you guys for the OGs, my 21 subscribers, which surprisingly have not left, unsubscribed for years now because I haven't posted. Thank you guys for sticking with me to now. The reason why I haven't been posting as much is because I ran out of ideas. My entire channel is designated to Nerf guns, but Nerf guns went up in price, and they became a dead trend. That's my opinion, not yours. If you want to unlike that for that, you can. If not, that'd be totally fine. Please like the video. That'll mean a lot to me. It gives me some self-esteem because all the other ones saying, oh, man, this sucks. But anyways, this is going to be a vlog and a gaming channel, which I'm starting new series like Fortnite Save the World, COD Mobile, and maybe Fortnite Battle Royale. And some secret series, which I don't know what yet, so I'm not going to say anything. But thank you for the OGs for sticking with me to the end. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that little bell icon for you guys won't miss another video I post. And I got to give a shout out to my brother, TrueMaster233. It was only supposed to be 2 3s, not like 4. But anyways, he's my editor, my channel advisor, and my cameraman. Thank you guys for watching. Please like. And this is Nerdy Nerfer, aka Nerdy Nerf Warriors, sliding off.